This way you can see your technique. Make it look like Ramon Deckers. Pretty much, dude, yeah. Do a side kick, do a roundhouse. Pretty good, man. You've come a long way in a short time, sir. Seriously. Because at first you were like, you're coming, yeah, you're looking a lot better, man. I'm going to be scared of you, dude. That looks good.